Hi everyone, my name is Nini Chome. In this video, it's all about B4U group of companies. I'm going to talk about what is B4U, why choose B4U, the benefit of joining B4U, the plan, the testimonial, and how to register. First, what is B4U? B4U was registered in 2017 in Malaysia under the name of B4U Exchange Sembilan Berhad and had an office in Taman Melawati, Kuala Lumpur. B4U originally started as a trading company that opens up an opportunity for the public to make investment in the company. In return, the investors will be rewarded through profits generated by the company. Who is the founder of B4U group of companies? Khan Saif Rehman was the founder and chairman of B4U groups of company. He involved in import and export business since 2015. He got 25 years of experience in trading and master in economics. So what does our company do? B4U group of company got 12 main business, which is B4U Trades, Revolt Motorcycle, Rehman Farm, Future Property, Perfect Muharabah, Alpha TV, Simtech, Alpha Advertisement, B4U Caps, B4U Wallet, B4U Soft, and B4U Foundation. Let's talk about B4U Trades. So B4U Trades is an investment company and the first subordinate company to establish under the parent company of B4U Group. People stand a chance to generate their own income with the help from B4U. Hence, the people that invest in B4U automatically become an investor to the company. Next, let's talk about the profit. So B4U Trades allocate 60% of its investors' deposit to cryptocurrency trading, and the remaining 40% is invested through tangible business such as transportation, technology, real estate, and other divisions that will add to their portfolio. In this way, investors receive from 7 to 20% monthly returns on their deposit. In terms of profitable, B4U Trade may not be the most profitable, but in terms of genuine trading and real businesses, B4U Trades is the best company out there. This is the profit history of B4U group of company since September 2017. Next, let's talk about why choose B4U. Three main reasons of why choose B4U to be your perfect investment platform. So the first one is we know the founder. The second reason is because B4U legally registered in 14 countries. And the third reason is because B4U got physical business. First, know the founder. In B4U, you can physically meet the founder of B4U groups of company. Here in B4U, we are doing real business with real people. The second reason is because B4U legally registered in 14 countries, which is Malaysia, Pakistan, Italy, Cambodia, Myanmar, Philippines, Spain, Canada, Thailand, Azerbaijan, Japan, Malta, Indonesia, and Turkey. The third reason is because we got physical business. We are not 100% depending on trading only. We open up physical business because B4U believe that we cannot depending 100% to trading only. We must have backup plans such as physical business to make sure the risk of the investor is at the lowest. You can search and take a look in our main website, which is www.b4ugroup.my for more information and details about our physical business. Next, let's talk about the benefit of joining B4U. We got 5 main reasons. First, low risk. Second, passive income. Third, active income. Fourth, reward. And the fifth one is NGO activities. So first, low risk. Because here in B4U, your capital is not locked. The maturity for your deposited and portfolio is only 6 months. And you can withdraw your profit once a month. Next, passive income. You just invest and you will earn profit. Second, you will receive profit every day from Monday to Friday. And the third one, you will receive profit monthly 7 to 20%. The third benefit is active income. By recommending other people to invest in B4U using your referral link, you will get two types of referral bonus, which is investment bonus and profit bonus. All referral bonus percentage will based on your status in B4U Trades. The fourth benefit of joining B4U is the reward. You stand a chance to win a Spain tour, a free car, a Umrah trip, and a Morocco trip if you achieve the target that's set by the company with terms and conditions. The fifth benefit of joining B4U is the NGO activities. As you all know, here in B4U, we provide B4U Foundation. You all are welcome to be part of us in NGO activities in terms of money or volunteering activities. Here is the memories of our past NGO activities. We go to all folks' home. We went to Pakistan to celebrate Hari Raya Haji by doing korban and distribute the meat to unfortunate people there. Next, let's talk about marketing plan. In B4U, we got 6 investment plan, which is Tiffany, Blue Moon, Aurora, Cullinan, Sensi, and Ko-I-No. There are 2 ways to upgrade your status. The first one is personal investment. The second one is structural investment, which is the total deposit of your group sales. Next, term and condition. For deposited, the minimum deposit is $50. The minimum reinvest is $40. The maximum deposit is unspecific. Here in B4U, we got 2 types of investment, which is in USD and 7 cryptocurrency to invest, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, and Zcash. So, what is the difference between USD and cryptocurrency? If you invest in USD, you will get the profit in USD and you can withdraw the profit directly to your account bank. And if you invest in cryptocurrencies, you will get the profit also in cryptocurrencies and you will withdraw the cryptocurrencies into your wallet. Next, portfolio maturity. You can withdraw your capital after 6 months or 180 days. You will have penalty charge if you withdraw your capital before 6 months. This is the sales commission criteria. Up to 60 days or 2 months, you will have 35% of deduction. From 2 months to 4 months, 20% of deduction. From 4 months to 6 months, you will get 10% of deduction. And after 6 months, there will be no penalty charges. Next, withdrawal. You can withdraw your profit once a month. You can withdraw your bonus unlimited. And the minimum withdrawal is $40. The maximum withdrawal is unspecific. And the bank transaction to withdraw is 3 to 5 working days. In the other hand, BTC transaction will take place between 50 to 20 working days. Next is fees. We got 3 fees in B4U, which is deposit fees, withdrawal fees, and annual fees. So for deposit, company rate for deposit is $1 equal to RM5 ringgit. And deposit charge is 50 to USD 300 is no fees. 301 to 999 is $10 fees. 1000 and above is $30 fees. For example, if you deposit 410, company will only approve $400 because $10 is fees. Same goes to if you deposit 1030, the company will approve 1000 only because $30 is fee. Next, withdrawal charges. If you withdraw amount $40 to $499, the fees is $6. If you withdraw 500 and above, the fees is $17. For example, if you withdraw $40, you will get only $34 because $6 is the fee. And if you withdraw $600, you will get $583 because $70 is the fee. Exchange rate for withdrawal is $1 equal to current market. Next is testimonial. This is the testimony from B4U members. This is the evidence of withdrawal USD. You will get through your account bank, and also the evidence of withdrawal BTC you will get through your Bitcoin wallet, and others testimony from B4U members. Last but not least, how to register. So, contact your introducer to register under their link, or contact 011-10949401 to join my team. Or you can add my Facebook at Nini Chomei, NINICOMEI, or you can WhatsApp me 011-10949401. Don't miss out this great opportunity to invest your capital and gain more profit. You will get back your capital plus profit after 6 months. Make a good choice. See you later. Bye.